Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel, Lilybird Time. After the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, it's quite refreshing to take some time to tidy up the house and restore order, and tackling all the cleaning that comes after the holidays. In today's video, I'll be discussing essential post-holiday cleaning tasks. Join me as I share 7 items that you should definitely not overlook when cleaning up. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Clean and store holiday decorations. Have you ever experienced the frustration of opening a box of holiday decorations in November, only to discover a tangled mess of half-broken lights? To ensure a smoother experience next year, it's essential to clean and store the decorations carefully. When taking down our decorations, make sure to clean them thoroughly and store them in closed bins, boxes, or plastic bags that are clearly labeled. While specialized storage containers may seem like an unnecessary expense, they are specifically designed to protect our cherished decorations from dust, mold, and damage. I also organized our decorations into categories such as dining room, mantel, front door, and tackle one area at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed during the decorating process. Number 2. Fridge. It's incredible how much food we manage to fit into the fridge during the holidays. Normally, I strive to keep my fridge well organized, but with all the stuff we had, we ended up just cramming it in wherever there was space. Now that January is approaching, it's time to go through everything and ensure that nothing is hidden in the back and forgotten. To begin the cleaning process, it's advisable to empty the entire contents of the refrigerator. If you're worried about perishable items being left out, you can temporarily store them in a cooler while cleaning. Take out any removable components. Prepare warm, soapy water in your sink. Take out the drawers, compartments, and shelving from the fridge and place them in the water for soaking. Clean the inside of the fridge. To start, take a slightly damp microfiber cloth and wipe the fridge. For smaller spaces and corners, a toothbrush can be used. Dip the cloth into the cleaning solution and scrub as required. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to eliminate any residue. Consider using fridge liners. Fridge liners can be utilized on shelving or bins to provide protection against spills and stains, reducing the need for frequent deep cleanings. If any spills occur, the liners can be easily removed and washed, eliminating the need to remove the entire bin or shelf. Put items back. After emptying the fridge, it is essential to assess the inventory and check for expired items before returning them. Discard old leftovers, expired foods, and any items that won't be used. Number 3. Carpets. After the holidays, it's common to discover a few mysterious carpet stains. It's important to address these stains promptly, but they may not always catch your attention immediately. When vacuuming carpets next time, be extra vigilant and search for any overlooked stains. Begin by treating obvious stains with a carpet stain remover. Then, sprinkle baking soda over the carpet. Allowing it to sit for 10-15 minutes before vacuuming. This method will effectively refresh and cleanse your carpets. Number 4. Vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner, a diligent household appliance, often goes unnoticed when it comes to cleaning. Every vacuum cleaner is unique, with some featuring washable filters and others equipped with HEPA filters. It's essential to regularly clean the filter by following the provided instructions. Recently, I took the time to clean mine and discovered a clogged filter and hose filled with pine needles and flocking. A well-maintained vacuum not only enhances its performance, but also saves valuable time in the future. The brush roll often accumulates string, lint, hair, and thread, which can impede its motion and strain the belt and engine, leading to faster wear and tear. To remedy this, use scissors or a seam ripper to remove any trapped threads or hairs. Additionally, wipe the interior with a damp microfiber cloth to eliminate accumulated dirt and grime. Number 5. Oven. After indulging in a month-long feast, it's highly probable that the oven will require a thorough cleaning. Although I have yet to tackle this task, there are several spills that demand attention. Personally, I am not fond of utilizing the oven's self-cleaning feature and instead opt for a manual approach, employing an oven cleaning product like OFF. In general, it is advisable to deep clean your oven every 3 months to maintain its cleanliness and ensure it consistently produces delectable culinary creations. Number 6. Dishwasher. We don't use our dishwasher very often, but during the holiday season, our dishwasher was put to the test, dealing with a significant load of dirty dishes. It's truly astonishing how much grime can build up in the dishwasher, and it's one of those overlooked areas when it comes to cleaning. I am using warm water mixed with vinegar as natural ingredient to clean my dishwasher. Using a clean toothbrush to clean the removable parts, utensil holder, dishwasher racks, dishwasher door and gasket. Every 2 months, we clean our dishwasher drain by using 1 cup of warm white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, pouring the mixture into the drain at the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then carefully pouring some boiling water down the dishwasher drain to clear out any debris or clogs. Number 7. Bathroom. Although I make an effort to maintain basic cleanliness in the bathrooms, particularly the ones used by guests, they were clearly in need of a thorough deep cleaning after the holidays. Throw dirty towels and any bath mats into the wash. Remove all items from surfaces. Dust and wipe down light fixtures. Clean blinds and window tracks. Clean windows and mirrors. Clean countertops and shelving. Clean the shower and bathtub. Clean the toilet. Clean the floor and baseboards. Clean the sink. Thank you for joining me on this journey of post-holiday cleaning. Remember, a clean and organized space sets the tone for a fresh start in the new year. I hope these tips have been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning and organization tips. Wishing you a happy and clutter-free year ahead. Until next time.